Hi roller skaters. Today we're going to be doing a little comparison video between a few wheels that we've been wanting to do for a while. We've been unable to do this video because these wheels here, the mini logo A-cuts, have been unavailable. But now they are available. We found them on Amazon, but hopefully if you can find them at your local skate shop, great. If not, we have a link down below where you can find these wheels if you'd like. I've now skated them twice now, I believe, and what I've noticed about them is they're pretty close to the way these Moxi Fundaes feel. They are a little bit smaller wheel. They're a 55 millimeter by, I'm not really sure the width, but they're pretty dang close to the Moxi Fundaes.
That's the Moxi Fundae.
The Moxi Fundaes are 57 millimeter, and they are a little softer. I mean, the Moxis are a little harder, excuse me. The Moxis, there's no disclosed durometer, but they feel about like a 92, whereas the mini logos are a 90. So they are a little bit softer. You do feel that they are a little bit softer, but not by much. You'll feel that they're also a little bit grippier, so, but not that much grippier, if that makes any sense. They're not that far off.
They're similar, yeah.
Very similar. You can't really feel the size difference, but you can feel a tad bit the softness or the grippiness, if that helps. One thing that's super cool about the mini logos is they're half the price of the Moxis. They are $40 for a set of 8, whereas the Moxis are $80 for a set of 8.
Wow.
It's a big difference in price there.
It's like half the price.
One thing though, when you mount these, mini logos I should say, they are wider. They're skateboard wheels actually. So, but they'll work with your roller skates. They're a little wider. The hub width is a little wider. And so in order to put them on, you have to reverse your axle nut here.
Can you hold that up so I can see it?
You have to reverse the axle nut so it gets more of the inside thread, the Loctite lining inside there, gets on there and holds the wheels on you know, securely. So that's really the biggest difference between them. You know, they're a little, inside is a little bit wider, so you got to flip that axle nut around. You may have to take a washer out, which I did. I used to run washers in here between the wheels, so I had to take them out, but that's not a big deal. They will work, and they're pretty cool. They really are, for the price, man, you can't beat it really. But they are pretty similar, so it's kind of up to your preference and whether you want to spend the money or the colors. You know, I don't think these mini logos come in any other colors but white, right?
And that durometer 90A, no, they just come in white in the durometer 90A and 55 millimeter.
Yeah.
But if you if you don't like white, you can dye them. I kind of think white looks kind of sharp personally, but
yeah, they do look pretty sharp on these skates, I think, with the grind blocks and whatnot.
Yeah, they match your skates.
So anyway, that's this comparison video. So we hopefully this was helpful to you guys, and if you found it useful, hit the like down below. We'd like to hear future suggestions. If you have any other products you might want to have us check out and compare, let us know, and we'd love to do that for you if we can afford the product, that is. But anyway,
or if it's in stock.
Yeah, if it's in stock. So thanks again, you guys, for checking out our channel. We really appreciate it. Hit the like down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.